elevator at Oak Hollow Mall.
And where is Oak Hollow Mall?
In High Point.
Yeah. This is not a very busy mall, is it?
No.
This is a Saturday and not too many people are here, and most of the stores look like they might be closed. It's got a few stores. Sears is open.
What kind of elevator is this, TJ?
It's a Schindler.
It's a Schindler RT with MT fixtures, isn't it?
No, it's a Schindler. It's a Schindler RT with MT indicator.
MT indicator, right.
Oh, it's got a red phone too.
It does have a red emergency phone.
TJ, I think somebody walks in. Hold the door open for him. All right. Thank you. Okay, when we get up here, hold the door open for him, okay?
There's the emergency light up there.
Yeah. You go ahead over and get it. Thank you.
Well, is there someone else coming now?
Yeah. Alrighty. And you were just saying it wasn't too crowded.
It wasn't.
Yep. So the sun. It's nice skylight. Yep. We'll get a cat view. Stainless steel on that side, and then it's glass all the way around. Yep.
I got like a circular.
No handrails.
I got like a circular window.
Yep. Okay, ready?
Circular windows.
Yep.
Okay.